Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will give some comments about my difficult when teaching. Listen carefully. In teaching, the teacher may have its own challenge or problems that are sometimes difficult to deal with. Each of these challenges can be caused by internal factor or within the teacher himself and external factor, which can be from students or the school environment. Even so, teachers must be able to overcome these problems so that learning continues to run effectively. The following are some of the difficulties I experienced while teaching. As a teacher, sometimes I have difficulty understanding each student characteristic because there are many students I meet at the school. It is possible that students want to be noticed during teaching and learning. Students will be happy to be praised and noticed by the teacher. However, I often forget to give praise and neglect the personality development of students when they do good, do not cause the trouble, and achieve achievements. As a teacher, I also have to look at students who are not doing well in the class, such as those who like to sleep in the class, make noise, or do not pay attention to the teacher's explanations. Trying to help them so they can carry out their lessons better and concentrate more in the class. In order for a classroom learning to be conducive, students must learn to be disciplined and responsible for the teaching and learning process in the classroom. There are several factors that cause students to concentrate less, such as environmental, psychological, and internal factor within students. Environmental factor mean that those around students, for example, when give assignment, students are disturbed and are more interested in loud noises outside and thus interfere with concentration. The psychological factor here is when students are under pressure. So when they do assignment or study, their focus is disturbed. For example, due to the lack of student social skills with other students. Interference with internal factor can occur due to the disturbance in the brain development and more hormones, so the children are less able to concentrate. This is certainly a challenge for me to make students more focused or concentrate on listening to the learning material. Try to make learning more interesting so that they are more focused and concentrate for studying. And then each student has different abilities in understanding and mastering lessons. Therefore, the teacher cannot force students to immediately understand. Teachers must motivate and inspire students to learn and give time to understand better. Discipline is one of the important attitudes that everyone should have. The reason is that discipline is also a determining factor for learning success. But teacher and students must be disciplined with respect to the time, to assign tasks, to learning activity, and other. Teaching in the class where students are well disciplined will definitely feel easier than students who are not disciplined. Having students who lack discipline is a challenge for a teachers. So I should be able to change their behavior for the better. If the teacher only explain and the student listen, the lesson will feel less interesting. Students will become bored and pay less attention to the lesson. Teachers can make lessons more innovative such by utilizing technology. At the school where I teach, learning has used interesting learning media such as video tutorials, watching science films, or giving assessment online. Teachers can train themselves by attending seminars or workshops and exchanging ideas and experience with fellow teachers so that they can gain more knowledge. Of course, the preparation of such teaching materials takes a long time and also makes teachers keep working on their day off. Okay? Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.